Hi guys, it's Mahika here with
Maya.
And today she's actually just mixing hers. Mine is not just orange. Like, I know it looks like that on camera, but it's not.
In some parts it's pink and some parts
It's really nice. Like, Maya, do not stick that to the carpet.
I did.
Like, it looks really orange on camera, but it is not at all. It is not orange a lot. There are some parts that are orange, but it's not as orange as you think it is.
It's like
It has a lot of pink in it too.
yeah.
There were two,
orange.
as you could see in the last video, there were two. Maya, actually try to mix it, okay? You don't get time over there to play. Okay. Yeah, so, in the last video.
Do you want a little bit?
What?
Do you want a little bit of this?
No.
Mine.
Maya, don't put it in there.
I never wear this necklace, so I really don't care.
Okay, wait. So, no, if you could see in the last video, there were two cubes or like cylinder things of pink and like 1 cube of orange. So, it's not that much. It looks like that on camera, but
It's
like
really
maybe
not.
if we let it sit and we'll show you after, like you can play a great catch with this. Slow-mo. I didn't set it on it yet. Okay, I will do it now. Maya, you still know that I'm not putting it on. She's making me laugh. Okay, wait. Put it there. Turn around, girl. Turn around. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on. Don't you?
You're hilarious. Or should I say, Hey, you didn't even throw it up into the air. No one's gonna buy that.
I know I didn't put it on yet. Just don't want to. I'll put it on later. Okay, wait. I'm just going to take that off. Oh, by the way, about our movie, we still haven't figured that out. There are a couple of difficulties. Keep mixing. Oh, we also got squishies. We got growing pets also. Like once you put them in water, we're gonna go to the pool later. Better. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys how my sisters look. Put this in here. Excuse you.
Difficulties. Mika, give me yours. Can you tell the difference between mine and yours?
Ours is both the same color.
Just stretch it. No, it's not. Stretch it. Now look at it closely.
What did you put in there?
My necklace stuff. There are little flakes of pink in here. Oopsie. I put it. It says dream. I'm gonna put some in first.
Now I want to put it.
For the rest. Whoops. Technical difficulty.
All of them?
Yeah. Put all of them.
Are you sure?
It's my necklace. It's like, make your own, and I made it, and I'm using it. Well, at least there's still the starfish as a decoration.
What do you think we should name this?
I'm gonna name mine.
Sunrise sign.
I was just gonna say that. Oops.
Okay, in the next video, I'm gonna show you how my sister's looks. Bye.